After 10 years, Musa alayhi salam left the place Madian with his family. So, Musa alayhi salam needed fire while passing through Valley Sina. He saw a strange fire because when he went near the fire, it moved away. Suddenly, Musa alayhi salam heard the voice of Allah as, I am the creator of all the worlds. I have selected you as my prophet. And he commanded him to go and show the right path for Pharaoh and his followers. So, Prophet Musa alayhi salam prayed to Allah as, O my Lord, expand me my breast, ease my task for me, and remove the impediment from my speech, so they may understood what I say. So, Prophet Musa alayhi salam prayed to Allah by asking this dua. And he went to Egypt. He told Pharaoh about the message of Allah as, believe Allah and free the Bani Israel people from slavery. But the courtiers of Pharaoh said, this Musa is a magician. Courtiers means advisors of Pharaoh. So Pharaoh challenged to Prophet Musa alayhi salam to compete with his magicians. The magicians of Pharaoh threw the ropes and sticks on ground. At once the ropes and sticks are turned to snakes. Also, Prophet Musa alayhi salam stick turned to python and ate all the snakes of the magicians of Pharaoh. So, this is the miracle from Allah which we had already seen in the Surah Taha. So, by this miracle of Allah, the Prophet Musa alayhi salam stick also turned to python and ate all the snakes of the Pharaoh's magicians. On seeing this miracle, the magicians of Pharaoh believe Allah as true God. Miracle means supernatural event. Miracle means supernatural event. Like as many times Allah sent Prophet Musa alayhi salam to Pharaoh, but he didn't accept. So Allah commanded Prophet Musa alayhi salam to leave Egypt with his followers. Followers means the person who follows someone. Followers means the person who follows someone. So by Allah's command, Prophet Musa alayhi salam and his followers reached the Red Sea. By knowing the plan of Prophet Musa alayhi salam, Pharaoh and his huge army were chased to catch Prophet Musa alayhi salam and his followers. At that time, Allah parted the sea. Musa and his followers crossed it, while Pharaoh with his huge army tried to cross, but they were drowned. So, the story came to end. Later, the sea spat the dead body of Pharaoh. Spat means forced out. Spat means forced out. So, see this is the dead body of Pharaoh. He got punishment from Allah, so that neither the land nor the water accept his body. His body is kept in the museum of Egypt. It is a proof of punishment for the whole mankind. So, hadith of the story is, believe that even when all paths are closed, Allah can open up the impossible for you. What is the hadith? Believe that even when all paths are closed, Allah can open up the impossible for you. So, children, believe Allah and be thankful for the bounties given by Allah. Jazakallah.